Hello, very good to have you with us on ERi-TV. This is English News Broadcast live from the headquarters in Asmara at 10:30 p.m. local time. First, the top stories. Popular campaigns in connection with Martyrs' Day. Vocational training in Eritrea. Israel missiles target Damascus in latest attack. Magnitude 6.3 earthquake strikes northern Philippines. Popular campaigns in connection with 20th June Martyrs' Day was conducted at Martyrs Cemetery in several parts of the country. According to reports, members of the Cooperative Association of former 70th and 16th Division, as well as members of the Popular Force and government employees in Barantu, conducted tree cultivation and clearing popular campaign at the Barantu Martyr Cemetery. Youth workers organizations and women in the cities of Tesene, Aordet, as well as elaborate administrative areas conducted similar popular campaigns. Similarly, 7th grade, 11th grade students sport people, employees of Cohop factory, staff members of the Electricity Authority and Cooperation Eritrea in Duwarwa also conducted popular campaign at the Duwarwa Martyr Cemetery. In the same vein, government employees and ex-Freedom Fighters Association and others in Hagaz conducted tree cultivation, road innovation, and environmental sanitation popular campaigns. The National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students branch in Eritrea subzone organized vocational training programs ranging from 1 to 3 months to 190 youth in Ndagergis semi-urban center. At the conclusion event of the training organized on 10th June, Mr. Jamal Noor, head of the union branch, said the training included social science, first aid, literature, and drama, commending the effort of National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students that undertaking to develop the vocational capacity of the youth. Mr. Eritrea, administrator of the semi-urban center, called on the public to strengthen contribution for sustainability of the vocational training programs. Mr. Andameskel Adhanom, administrator of Eritrea subzone, on his part, called on the youth to take advantage of the training programs being provided and improve their livelihoods. In the same vein, spouse of martyrs in Ansaba region reported that the training they received on weaving is significantly contributing in improving their livelihoods, pointing out that the 7-month training coupled with the weaving machine they were provided with soft loan has enabled them develop their activities and improve their families' livelihoods. According to Mrs. Terhas Zoude, coordinator of the National Union of Eritrean Women Vocational Training Center, training on weaving has been provided to 450 women, foster families, including 280 spouses of martyrs. We are live on ERi-TV. Stay tuned for international news. An Israeli air attack on Syria's capital Damascus has left one Syrian soldier with serious injuries and caused some material damage. The state news agency SANA has reported Syrian air defense engaged Israel missiles that were launched at 1:05 a.m. yesterday local time morning from the Golan Heights and shot down some of them, according to military source cited by SANA. The Israeli enemy carried out an aerial aggression from the direction of the occupied Golan Heights, targeting several positions southwest of Damascus. This is according to the state news agency. The military source did not provide further details on the target of the attack. The United Kingdom-based Syrian Observatory for Human Rights, a monitor that relies on the vast network of sources on the ground in Syria, said the Israel missile attack was aimed at armed depots belonging to pro-Iran fighters and caused a fire. In the 12 months up to April, Israel attacks on Syria had killed at least 44 people and injured more than 50. Israel has for years carried out hundreds of attacks against what it has described an Iran-linked target in Syria. Though Israel rarely comments on its attack inside Syria, it has repeatedly said it will not allow Iran to extend its military influence into Syrian territory. An earthquake of magnitude 6.3 struck the Philippines' main island today, authorities said, halting some railway operation in the capital, Manila. No casualties or major damage were reported after the quake, which struck out at sea at a depth of 10 kilometers and was felt in nearby provinces, the Philippines Seismology Agency reported. According to the Transport Ministry, operations of the three elevated railway lines in Manila were stopped due to the earthquake. Railways and airports had suspensions in operation. So far, no report of major effect of the quake, and they hope it remains that way. Civil Defense spokesman Assistant Secretary Bernardo Rafaelo Alejandro stated. Ceiling lights were seen shaking at a hotel in one of Manila's business districts where President Ferdinand Marcos was speaking to reporters after attending an international trade forum. The Seismology Agency initially recorded a magnitude of 6.2 earthquake, but later revised it to 6.3. It said it expected damage and aftershocks. And now we have a quick recap of the top stories. Popular campaign in connection with Martyrs' Day. Vocational training in Ad-Dukhala subzone. Israel missiles target Damascus in latest attack. Magnitude 6.3 earthquake strike northern Philippines. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good night.